Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is your physics class. If you remember in last lecture, we have discussed about what is kinetic energy, and I did told you kinetic energy is the energy possessed by object due to its motion. After that we have derived the expression for kinetic energy, that is kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square. In today's lecture we are going to see what is the relationship between kinetic energy and the mass of an object, and what is the relationship between kinetic energy and the velocity of an object, After that we are going to do one or two numericals based how we are going to calculate kinetic energy, provided there is a mass of an object, there is velocity of an object. So let us start. So we know that kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square. What is m here? It is mass of an object. What is velocity here? V here, it is velocity of an object. So kinetic energy depends upon two things. One is mass of an object and next is velocity of an object. So when there is mass of an object, there is velocity of an object, we will be able to calculate its kinetic energy. So what is their relation? What is the relation between kinetic energy and mass of an object? As you can see here from this formula, kinetic energy has a direct relation with mass of an object. That means more is the mass of an object, more will be the kinetic energy. Let me take one example here. Let us assume here is a ball of mass 0.5 kg and it is moving with a velocity of 2 meters per second. Another ball here, it is having a mass of 1 kg and it is again moving with a velocity of 2 meters per second. So both are having same velocity. 2 meters per second here, 2 meters per second here. What is the difference? Difference is in their mass. Here the mass of ball is 0.5 kg, that is 1 by 2 kg, and here mass of ball is 1 kg. So as we see here, kinetic energy has a direct relation with mass of an object. That is, more is the mass of an object, more will be its kinetic energy. So if you are going to calculate here kinetic energy, see here, kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square. That is, kinetic energy becomes here 1 by 2. What is the mass? It is 0.5 kg. What is the velocity? 2 meters per second. That is, it will become like this: 1 by 2, 0.5 into 2 cos square, that is 4. So it will come like this: 2 1 half, 2 2 half, 4. So 0.5 multiplied by 2, calculate this thing, it will become 0.5 multiplied by 2, 2 1 of 2 to 5 of 10, it will become 1 joule. So kinetic energy here, it is 1 joule. So let us calculate this same thing, kinetic energy here. It will become like this: kinetic energy here, it will become 1 by 2 m into v square. So kinetic energy is 1 by 2. What is mass here? It is 1 kg. 1 into 2 square, that is 1 by 2 into 1, 2 cos square, that is 4, 2 2 half. So it comes what? 2 joules. Here it comes 1 joule. Although both are having same velocity, this ball is moving with a velocity of 2 meters per second. This is also moving with a velocity of 2 meters per second. What is the difference? Difference is in their mass. So what is the answer here? 1 joule. What is the answer here? 2 joules. So we have seen here, if the object has more mass, although it has same velocity, if it has more mass, it will have more kinetic energy. So that is, kinetic energy is directly proportional to the mass of an object. That is, more is the mass of an object, more is the mass of an object, more will be it is kinetic energy. So kinetic energy and mass of an object has a direct relation. If one increases, another will also increase. If mass increases, kinetic energy will increase. So let us see now what is the relationship between kinetic energy and velocity of an object. Velocity of an object. So what is the relationship between kinetic energy and velocity of an object? So from the formula we know that kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square. So from this formula you can see kinetic energy has again direct relation with velocity of an object. That is, it has a direct relation. So more is the velocity. More is the velocity. More will be it is kinetic energy. More will be it is kinetic energy. For example, see here. If we have two objects, one is A, another is B, both are having same mass, that is 1 kg, 1 kg here. Let us suppose that this is moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second and this is moving with a velocity of 2 meter per second. So which will have more kinetic energy? This will have more kinetic energy. Why so? Because its velocity is more compared to this one. Although their masses are same. So I mean to say, more if you are going to increase the velocity, the kinetic energy will increase. If you are going to decrease the velocity, the kinetic energy will decrease. So kinetic energy has a direct relation with velocity of an object. That is, more is the velocity, more will be the kinetic energy. That is, if we are going to increase the velocity of an object, its kinetic energy will increase. So what we have, so here kinetic energy has direct relation with mass of an object and velocity of an object. That is, kinetic energy has direct relation with mass of an object. Kinetic energy has direct relation with the velocity of an object. Let us do one numerical here. Let us assume that we have an object which is having a mass of 4 kg, and it is moving with a velocity of 2 meter per second square. So we have here mass of an object, mass that is 4 kg. We have velocity of an object that is 2 meter per second. So let us calculate its kinetic energy. So we know that kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square. That is, kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2. What is m here? 4 kg. What is velocity? 2 meter per second square. It will become like kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by 4, 2 cos square, that is 4. Kinetic energy equals to 1 of 2 of. It will become 4 2 of 8 joules. 8 joules. So kinetic energy is 8 joules. We have mass here, we have velocity here. We are able to calculate it as kinetic energy. So if you are provided the mass of an object, you are provided the velocity of an object, you will be calculating kinetic energy like this. So kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square. Keeping the mass of an object constant, kinetic energy is directly proportional to square of velocity of an object. If we will keep velocity of an object constant, as we have seen before, then kinetic energy has a direct relation with the mass of an object. So actually, When object is in a sort of motion, it will have kinetic energy. When object is at rest, it doesn't have any sort of velocity, it will have zero kinetic energy. So kinetic energy actually is associated with the motion of an object. Motion of an object. When there is no motion, there is no kinetic energy. When there is motion, there is kinetic energy. So we have seen this thing, that kinetic energy has a direct relation with the velocity of an object, it has a direct relation with the mass of an object. And one more thing, kinetic energy is associated with the motion of an object. When there is motion, there is kinetic energy. When there is no motion, there is no kinetic energy. I hope you have understood today's lecture. We will meet next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.